Okay, here we go. The storm's here. Just got here. This is what it looks like. It's about 7 o'clock, January 22nd, 2016. And it just looks nice. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. Wow, not a car. It's real quiet out here. There's up the street. Maybe you can try that. See it. Oh, I can see it in the camera a little bit. I think you'll be able to see the snow coming down. It's a little chilly. I think I'll get back in the house for now. Check it out in the morning. Okay, here we are in the backyard. There's Andy. Andy came out in the snow with me. There he is. Snow's coming down. There's the steps. Birds are flying around. And I have my tape measure, yardstick. So I'll put it over here. Let's see. Okay, it looks like about, just about 12 inches. Hey, Andy. What you doing? You like the snow, huh? He likes the snow. But that's my report as of right now. It's, I forget the time, about 10:30 maybe. Lost track of time, sitting watching TV, watching the weather on the news. Okay, well that's what it's looking like. Up there he goes. So try to get back up the steps. Well, I don't know about him, but I think it's time to get back in. Come on, Andy. Come on, Andy. Let's go. Well, I'm just going to go from the steps here. It's out the front. That's what Indian Queen Lane is looking like. Doesn't look like any cars have gone down for quite a while. Here it is. Well, that was a gust right in my face. Now I know what the guy on the news was talking about. There it goes. Okay, and there's, whoop, get my glove out of the way. There is 18 inches. Oh, wow. Well, that's on Indian Queen Lane.